All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Friday idioms. So, like a broken record. Yeah, like a broken record spinning round. Like a broken record. To do or say something again and again and again and again and again and again. To do or say something again and again and again. Yeah. They behaved like a broken record. They were doing it all the time. They did that every single time. He sounded like a broken record. Oh, repeating himself. Same stuff again and again. He is like a broken record. Always doing the same thing. And going to the same places. Yeah. Yeah, well, there you go. Yeah. By him doing that, comma, by him doing that, he sounded like a broken record. He sounded like a broken record. Why? He was always doing the same thing. She would always do the same thing on Friday nights. She was like a broken record. Same thing. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Why do they always sound like a broken record? They always sound like a broken record. They're always doing that. Why are they always doing the same thing again and again? They are like a broken record. Can't they do something else? Can't they do something else? Why can't they do something new? Why can't they do something new? I don't know why. They always do it. Yeah, like a broken record. Again and again and again and again and again. Now, language explorers. Can you use like a broken record in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.